Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to a VIVO X200 FE. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now click on whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished picking all of your files you wish to send, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wanna connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on VIVO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, tap on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!